Electric vehicles have come a long way, and the 2026 Tesla Model 3 proves that sustainable driving doesn't mean compromising on excitement. This sedan continues to push boundaries in the EV segment. Welcome back to Next Gen Reviews, where today we're exploring why the Model 3 remains a top choice for electric car buyers. Design. Tesla keeps things clean and sophisticated with the Model 3's exterior. The streamlined silhouette isn't just for looks, it's engineered for maximum aerodynamic efficiency. Updated front fascia and revised lighting elements give the 2026 model a fresh appearance. Step inside and you're greeted by a minimalist cabin that feels spacious and airy. Quality materials throughout elevate the premium feel, while the panoramic glass roof creates an open atmosphere. The simple dashboard with a central touchscreen keeps distractions minimal. Performance. Performance is where Tesla truly shines. Instant torque from the electric motors deliver exhilarating acceleration that never gets old. The low-mounted battery pack creates a planted feel through corners, making the Model 3 surprisingly fun to drive. Depending on your chosen configuration, range extends well beyond what most drivers need daily. Charging infrastructure continues expanding, making road trips more convenient than ever. Features and technology. The centerpiece is the responsive touchscreen interface controlling everything, from climate to entertainment. Advanced driver assistance features make highway driving less stressful. Regular software updates mean your car improves over time. The premium audio system transforms the cabin into a concert hall. Conclusion. That wraps up the 2026 Tesla Model 3. Is this your next vehicle? Let us know in the comments. Found this helpful? Smash that like button. Share with anyone shopping for an EV, and subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more automotive reviews. Thanks for watching.